Hi guys, I am going to show you how to make oven fried chicken. Quick and easy. Ingredients needed would be breadcrumbs, herbs and spices, eggs, cooking spray, and of course, chicken. Okay, I'm going to start by making an egg mixture. Depending on how much chicken you have would determine how many eggs. I have several pounds of chicken and they are leg quarters. That would be the thigh and the leg. So I've decided on 4 eggs. You want to make sure that you have enough eggs to cover every single piece of chicken. I've added garlic powder, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, basil leaves, chicken powder, and salt and pepper. For those of you who are new to the cooking, I use about 1/4 of a teaspoon of each of these herbs and spices. Now we're going to mix this up. Okay, we want to make sure that you have cleaned your chicken prior to doing this. And then you're going to take your mixture and coat your chicken. Take your hands, make sure that they are clean, and make sure that you coat the chicken with the mixture. At this stage, you want to make sure that you have turned on your oven, preheat it to 400 degrees. At this point, we are going to take our chicken, shake off any excess egg, and dredge it through the breadcrumbs. And place it in the pan. With the bigger, larger pieces, when you place it in the pan, if you have skin on your chicken, have the skin up. This is what it should look like in your pan. Now that everything is ready to be placed in the oven, you would use your oil spray and just spray a small coating across the top of the chicken. This will help your chicken become extra crispy. Okay, I am 45 minutes in, and as you can see, the chicken is coming out fantastic. It smells great. Okay, so we're going to give it a little more time, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, here we are, and the chicken looks excellent. It smells fantastic, and I will take this out of the oven at this point. Okay, as you can see, I've taken it out of the oven. It's still cooking a little bit, so take your chicken out of the oven, ladies and gentlemen. Do not turn the oven off and leave it sitting in the oven. It will continue to cook, and you may possibly burn it or overcook it. You want your chicken to be juicy. As you can see, I did not place any oil in this pan. So what we're looking at the bottom is the juices from the chicken. The oil, the fat that rendered off of the skin of the chicken. But we do not want this to become dry. Okay? Just to give you a little perspective on the time that it took me to prepare this chicken, I also was cooking and recording a separate video on how to make a stovetop macaroni and cheese. If you decide to follow along with me, I promise you I will answer every single question that you may have that you place in the comment section that has to do with preparing a meal. If I don't know how to prepare a particular meal, I will learn alongside you. Okay? So I just want to thank you all for just coming to my channel, paying attention to the videos, and I hope that you like and subscribe. And I will continue pushing videos out, giving you all an idea of how easy it is to cook a meal. I'm here for you, okay? So like I said, please like, subscribe, and share the videos.